I'm officially gonna have filmed like 4 videos in the same hair and shirt today, so who cares? It's me. Do we expect any less? It's all in the same day. I'm not gonna try and live up to the illusion that it's different days. What's up, guys? So welcome back to another video on my channel. I'm gonna be the DIY queen I wish I was when I was in middle school, again in high school, and freshman year of college in my sorority, when I literally would like do iron-on letters and like Vineyard Vines logos onto sweatshirts. If you don't believe me, I literally can show you one day. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below and we can go have a trip down memory lane of all the weird crafts I used to do. Like, I literally sold duct tape items. I professionally did duct tape work with Duct Tape Company and Disney. Whew. I've lived a life, you guys. But today, I actually really have been enjoying some self-care time lately, and I've been taking like a nice hot bath. Wow, that sounded so north. I've been taking a nice hot bath every night, and like a soaking bath, and doing bath bombs and like soaking salts and bowls and like the whole shebang, and really enjoying myself. And I think it's just been like so good for like my mental health to at least be like, well, at least I'm taking like a nice bath every night, right, you guys? Right, therapist? Right? But I really wanted to like have kind of like a little display for my salts and my bath salts, because I'm crazy, but also for my bath bombs. And I do get a lot of these things at the dollar store. First off, let me just say, I've done a bunch of dollar store videos already. I'm obsessed with the dollar store. I am also highly allergic to a lot of things, but I've had really good luck with dollar store products being relatively natural and safe for my sensitive skin. So just because I'm saying that doesn't mean that it's gonna be good for your skin or work for your skin. But you know, if you wanna try it out, give it a try. I'm just saying, you can read the ingredients on these things: sodium chloride, glycerin, water, fragrance, fruit extract, lime, citrus. I mean, a lot of it is things that are in standard things, you know, other than like sodium chloride, I think is pretty standard as well. Glycerin, you're gonna find that in a lot of bath products. But again, it's up to your own discretion. I'm just gonna show you what I use. Today, I'm just gonna be making something relatively simple, and I thought I would show you guys what it is that I'm making. So I actually got these two cylindrical, big words, SAT prep who, containers. I have another one right here from the dollar store. Again, a dollar piece, Dollar Tree, dollar store. When I say dollar store, I mean Dollar Tree. If I go to any place else, you'll know, but I love Dollar Tree. I'm a hoe for the Dollar Tree. They're pretty big. I'm using my head as like measurement. Here's my forearm for measurement. Here's this for measurement, I don't know. But I'm going to use one for bath bombs and one for these like bath salts. It says soak, bath soak. I don't know how much is in here. I did buy more of this product, but it's also a different scent, so I'm not sure if they're gonna mix well, but I thought, let's try it out. So this one is, there's a new, I think I hauled this in my Dollar Tree haul. You guys can find that video up here. This is a bath soak, nourishing bath soak, French lavender citrus, all skin types, advanced formula. You get 540 grams, 18.9 ounces, paraben free, color free, which is great because that's usually what breaks me out or tears my skin off my body. It's from a company called Bolero Beverly Hills. I've used the bath bomb version already of this, and I did enjoy it. It smells good. I usually like a more masculine scent, which again, if you heard me talk about candles, I am like, again, a slut for shaving cream smell, which there is a good local company if you guys are in Houston area, out of the Woodlands. I don't remember their name right now. If I can find it, I will link to their company that they do sell in bulk, which is great because you can do zero waste with them. It is a little pricey, I will tell you that, but you can get it in bulk at Whole Foods, and Whole Foods will even provide the jars if you don't have your own. But I do have some of theirs that, since it is pricey, I only use on like special occasions. But like when I'm taking a bath every day, a soaking bath every day, you know, we're going Dollar Tree. Okay, the other two are listed as an Epsom salt on the tops of them. Oh, it says made with natural Epsom salt because Epsom salts are different than bath salts. You know, sometimes they have mixed in, so that's something to know as well. You can actually like see different little crystals in this one. Oh, there you go, you can see the little shiny and glittery. So this one is moisturizing bath soak, so it's the same company. This one is instead of French lavender and citrus. This one is coconut and sea salt. Yeah, I want to smell this one. Here we go. This smells like Sadie's gonna chew her toy. Sadie, can you like take it off set, please? She did it. She's literally doing it. She took it to the other side. Oh my god. My dog's a genius. Okay. This smells like something I know. It's like something oddly familiar. I guess it could be the coconut. If you guys can't get these stickers off, you can use something called, I think it's Goof Off. You can soak it in warm water. You can use an X-Acto knife. I might just be a little bitch and just leave it on and do that all later because I'm lazy. You guys thought this was an actual DIY? No. So let's pour this in. Does it say it similar? Okay, so we do have about half of this one left and a little bit of this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into here. You do see these little like flecks of like salt, I guess, in it. And like I showed you earlier, it kind of looks like a little bit of glitter and I'm living for it. It kind of also looks like rice and I'm kind of hungry. So like there's that. But I'm living for it. I love this. I really wanted to get like one of those like little scoops like made out of bamboo and just kind of keep it in here, just like in here. But like this is so cute. So let's move on to the second little DIY with this empty one. Move her over here by Christina. We named her Christina. So the other thing is these little bath bombs. Actually, I have not tried these bath bombs. I said earlier that I tried these bath bombs. I had not because they didn't have them the last time because this is a relatively new collection to Dollar Tree. But speaking of new collection, they have luxury bath bombs now. These are new. They usually have the bigger ones, but they are not luxury bath bombs. Perfectly 3. Look like golf balls. Oh, it's gonna look so cool. I should have gotten way more. Ah, I need more. Like I want to go back and get like 500 more. Oh my god. I need so many more. I don't know why I thought they were gonna be so much bigger. I thought this container was so small. Look at this. Oh my god. So I need like at least 4 more packs. So I'm probably gonna go get more of these little bath bombs tomorrow. So I'm gonna be looking a little different and then we'll finish up this DIY tomorrow. Okay guys, so the next day, aka a week later, we have these in here. I went and I actually got some more of the bath bombs. I got 3 more packs because I think that's what's gonna do it. And these are the coconut oil and sea salt ones. So we have the lavender ones. Oh god, it smells so good. The salts that are in there, I did use them in the bath the other day. Let me just say, it was nice. Do enjoy. It doesn't add any kind of fragrance to the bathroom, like I will be honest. I'm just like in this weird turtle position. I also got Skittles because I wanted Skittles. I almost got Sour Patch Kids, but the last like 3 Halloweens, that's what I give out to the kids because like Skittles, Swedish Fish, and Sour Patch Kids are like the easiest vegan candy to give out to the kids, so that's what I have. But I have like so many left over from the last couple years. I haven't bought them again, so like if I ever want candy, but I was craving Skittles. That and Dots. Dots is also like a really good one to be like 0 waste. Yeah. Perfect amount, bitch. I mean, we probably could have done maybe 1 more. But like, oh, this is good. Let me smell it. Oh my god, that coconut smell, you guys. Oh my god, I want to use one of these. I should get extra because now it's like a decorative piece and it's not gonna like be so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the back of my toilet space. I don't like putting a lot of things on my vanity for the time being. I don't really know what I want to do with it. I don't like seeing a lot of clutter on there. Even though this is like a pretty decorative thing, I think it would look really nice on a vanity top. Maybe even with like a nice pretty tray underneath. We might even do something like that in the future. But for right now, this is gonna go on the back of my toilet. So let's go see what that looks like with the other piece that we did earlier in the video.